So you might remember from today's lesson, we made a table and we had diameter and an estimated area. So in your table you had a diameter of 2, the estimated area was about 3. A diameter of 4 gave you an estimated area of about 12. And a diameter of 6 gave you an estimated area of about 27. So looking back at what you actually did in this lesson, you'll notice that when the diameter is 3 times bigger, the area is actually 9 times bigger. That's actually something that happens. You take your how many times bigger and you square it, and that gives you how many times bigger it is here. So what's going to happen in this problem? Well, we have circle A. It has an area of approximately 500 inches squared. And circle B, the diameter is 3 times bigger. So what happens when the diameter is 3 times bigger? The area is 9 times bigger. So what we have to do is we have to multiply the 500 times 9, and that gives you 4,500 inches squared. So your answer that you're going to type in is 4,500.